Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the two different state universities. So out of these two, one state university is offering the permanent assistant professor vacancies, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job faculty vacancies. So it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first state university that we are going to see is the Rashtrasanta Maharaj Nagpur University, and here the teaching jobs for the post of principal, professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there, and you may check down from Yeshwantrao Chavan Arts, Commerce, Science College. Here we have the different vacancies out there from the different subjects, and the last date to apply to this one is 13th May 2021. So if you don't belong to these subjects, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects and who are looking for the government faculty job notifications, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And here to check the vacancies and the notification, so click on this view advertisement, then you will be directed to this notification, guys. Okay. So name of the college is Yeshwantrao Chavan Arts, Commerce, Science College, and here applications are invited from the eligible candidates. So the subjects are history, political science, commerce, maths, zoology, botany, microbiology, Pali and Prakrit, Marathi, sociology, economics and geography. Okay, so these are the different subjects, guys. And coming to the pay scale as per the UGC and the state government norms. And coming to the essential qualification here, the candidate must have the master's degree with 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidate must also qualify the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there, or else the CSIR NET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the required qualifications for this one. And the application may be made on a plain paper, prescribed pro forma, and addressed to the principal or dean director on the address given below on or before dated 13th May 2021, along with the crossed postal order of 100 rupees drawn in favor of principal or dean or director, and certified copies of the relevant certificates or testimonials toward the substantiation of eligibility in terms of academic qualifications. Okay, so here the last date is 13th May 2021, guys. Okay, so here the college address is also mentioned here, so you have to send to this address, guys. Okay, name of the college and from where it is, okay, which district and what is the pin code, right? So to this address you have to send the application form. You have to written on a plain paper with prescribed pro forma. Okay, so these are the details regarding the assistant professor vacancies from the one of the state university, guys. Okay, which is also called as a Nagpur University. Okay, formally we will call this one as a Nagpur University. And coming to the second one is the Loyola College of Social Sciences. It is affiliated to University of Kerala. So from this one, applications are invited for the post of assistant professor. So total 3 vacancies are there in counseling psychology. Actually, this notification I searched based upon one of my subscriber requirement. So yesterday I got one comment that that candidate did the graduation and the post graduation in the psychology and looking for the assistant professor vacancies. So based upon that one, I searched this notification. So applications are invited for the post of assistant professor in counseling psychology in the permanent vacancy under the general merit 2 and community merit Catholic 1. So age, qualification and scale of pay, everything based upon the UGC or the Kerala University. And you have to pay the fee of 1000 rupees or else the 1050 by post, or can be downloaded from the link given below. The download application form should be accompanied by a DD of 1000 rupees in favor of manager, Loyola College of Social Sciences. Okay, and applications duly filled in should reach the undersigned within 30 days from the date of this notification. So date of this notification is the May 1st, 2021. That means you have to send by this month end. Okay, And coming to the application form, okay, so click on this one and then you will be directed to the application form, guys. Okay, so you have to fill up this application form and then send it to the mentioned address. Okay, whatever the things they are asking here to attach, so please attach all the documents and then send, guys. Okay, so these are the details regarding the assistant professor vacancies from the two state universities. So one is the Kerala University, okay, and second one is the Nagpur University. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide